Hi everyone! Check out the DWVO 23.6-inch steel replacement firebowl, designed for backyard fun and camping. It features thick steel construction with a high-temp black paint finish for excellent heat endurance and rust protection. Weighing only 7 pounds, this fire pit is easy to move and perfect for patios, decks, and barbecues. The set includes a round spark screen, a fire poker, and a detachable grate for versatile use and safety. You can use each component separately, making adjustments and replacements simple. Best of all, it requires no assembly, so you can enjoy a cozy bonfire anytime. Stay warm and create a great ambience with this durable, portable fire pit bowl. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.